you got? What is that? Is it a moth or a cricket? It's a moth. Gross. Catch the moth, Emma. I don't want it in the house. You brought it in. You need to catch it.
Monkfish is now perfectly, slightly opaque, a little bit translucent in the centre. Crispness, slightly bland. The hard part you now cooking the monkfish tastes delicious. Two good dishes.
Eat it. You need to eat it. You caught it. You eat it. You better catch it.
Will, what is that, please?
Lemon seared, Santa Barbara prawns. I'm here to win. Everyone should consider me their biggest threat. I know I consider me my biggest threat. I sew them in the shell just to get a little more flavor.
Did you get it?
The vegetables, what you put in there? Salt, pepper, olive oil, and garlic.
It's cooked beautifully. The unfortunate thing is, vegetables got too much garlic in there, so it's too overpowering. Elise, what is it, please?
Did you get it? You could eat it? So gross.
How did you cook the calamari?
Fried it first and then tossed it with the tomato sauce last.
I like the heat, smells of the peppers, but the calamari...
She has killed it. You are a lioness. Look at you, kiddo. So gross.